or down and open?
Up.
Close to all-time highs, and you're calling for up? What a coward. What a coward.
I haven't even opened it yet. I just said up.
Good morning, Raven. And it's up.
Told you.
Yeah. I mean, what are all-time highs? 112. No, never mind. The candle's gonna close red. Wait, no, the candle's gonna close green. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. What makes a Mooney? The VIX is low again. Nvidia. Oh boy. We'll be trading today, but I'll be here. What? Why not? Oh, she's dumping. When I say dumping, I mean 4 points because this market doesn't move.
Max Verstappen.
There's no relevant news. Do you only trade on news days? We're down to the VWAP.
Max Verstappen.
There was news. There's unemployment claims at 8:30. Does that not count? That's red folder. To the VWAP. It's through the VWAP. ES is holding up a lot better so far. On FX news calendar, it didn't show what there was, or like Forex. This is what I have on Forex Factory. I just like filter over U.S. news. It says there's unemployment claims at 8:30. Red folder. That was a close one, yes. Howdy, howdy, howdy. Do. Oh, I bet I was looking at Friday. So now you're trading just like that? Alright, I'm gambling today. Yes, I'm buying right now. Maybe, oh lord. Do. I got. Look, this is what happens. I play music that says it's not copyrighted. I still got copyrighted. Copyright content has been detected in your video. As a result, your video can no longer make any money. Great. Just great. Now I'm gonna starve. It's been blocked in one territory. Copyright owner may either be monetizing or receive analytics about it in other territories. This is that. A copyright strike and does not affect your kit channel. Just great. Lost all my $0 that I was gonna make from this.
Nice.
It's tragic. It's not your fault, Raven. You wanted me to play music. What territory you found yourself offensive? I have no idea. Found it offensive. I'm supposed to go camping this weekend, or I am going camping, and of course, or people are leaving today. I'm not going today because I want to trade tomorrow. But, and of course, what happens when it rains? It just automatic. I mean, whenever you go camping, it just has to rain. I swear. So, it's pouring though right now, because that's how it works.
It's supposed to rain tomorrow when you're going up.
I don't know.
So I was gonna say that then it doesn't matter.
Yeah, but what if my tent's wet?
Oh, my fucking tent's wet. That you didn't have to help set up because you're going later.
And we're building out a bear flag here. But I'm just gonna sit on my hands and wait. We're right at the VWAP. We're below all the EMAs, but we're at the VWAP, so kinda wanted to break the VWAP first. in Wiki though. I've never been camping before. Or it depends on like what type of camp. Like there's like camper camping or like tent camping. I've only been like tent camping like twice. Both times, kind of miserable. Well, one time I
I've
was.
never been tent camping.
First time it was on a hike, and then we camped overnight, and it was literally like 30 degrees out, and we were just in a tent, like not prepared at all. So we were just like freezing our balls off. It was just and after like a 12-mile hike up, it was just a fucking, it was just a hoot. And we didn't even like pick. It's not like I think they had like spots where people camped out. We literally just like found the spot on the side of the path and was like, okay, like 40 feet off the path. I'm like, all right, we're camping here. And then the other time I went with Sarah, and it rained the entire weekend. Finally, I am back. Welcome back. Here's your bear flag. Kind of playing out. I don't know. We're just VWAP chopping right now. We break here. I don't really care if we can camp in the Everglades here, but I don't want to see alligators or pythons. Yeah, that seems like not the best idea. I don't think we have much to worry about. Maybe bears, but we're just afraid of bears. And where are grizzly bears? I don't even know where grizzly bears exist. I think there's only like black bears by us, or like in New Hampshire and shit. Black bears are usually pretty skittish, from what I've heard. Alright, I placed a buy order on my paper trading account. Let's see. Oh, that's exciting. Paper trading? That really gets me going.
What'd you say?
Nothing. You're a fat bitch.
Thanks.
What about this spare flag here?
Max Verstappen.
Some. Nvidia's pushing back up.
The VIX at?
Lower than it was yesterday.
Great.
Or like about the same. The lower end of what it was yesterday.
Well, I wonder what the VIX was when we were seeing fucking 1,000-point moves. It had to be like 30.
Well, it's 15.93 now. During that, it was 60 at the peak. 60 volume, whatever.
60?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
I think the summer months are like known for being lesser volume.
I know, but that was like generational
Yeah.
movement.
Well,
I
yeah,
feel.
but that wasn't the summer months. Yeah, I'm just saying like in general now, like it's just lower volume than normal. But yeah, it's not like it's gonna go back to fucking that.
No.
Below all the EMAs, we're below the VWAP, and we're bear flagging. I mean, it's just we're choppy. Ooh, I almost hit the sell button there. Ooh. I should still get it right now. I think it's still gonna go. But...
I did hit the sell button there.
Did you? I was waiting for it to break the candle, and then I just didn't. I wanted it to break like below the 26s.
I didn't get the worst fill. I didn't get a great fill because it did shoot down.
Yeah.
But...
It's holding at the 15-minute range right now.
Is it really gonna break through and then not go?
Very possible. I think Grizzlies live basically anywhere with river. No. Anywhere there's a river, you think Grizzlies live? I don't think that's the case. Next summer I'm going on vacation after this shit.
We have American black bears.
Fuck, are you still in?
Yep.
Are there grizzly bears anywhere in the U.S.? I mean, there has to be, right?
Oh, yeah,
well, definitely Alaska.
probably like Montana and
yeah,
shit
that's what I
like
was thinking.
that.
Like the West Coast. I don't think we have any on the East Coast.
God damn it! It did hit 10 points.
What? Where did you get filled?
I got filled at 23.
It hit 23 exact, or it hit 13 exact. You didn't get filled on that.
I didn't have a
Bracket there.
big profit. Yeah.
They eat summer. They need it. Yeah. True. Good, you got filled. You went in fucking.
I got in on that giant push
Yeah.
down.
I wanted to get in right before at like the 26s. ES and NVIDIA are a lot more bullish right now than NQ.
I'm still in it.
Are you?
Yeah.
That must have got you then.
Oh, well, I didn't have a bracket there. I want to see this next candle. Here we go. Keep pushing.
We just hit a pivot point on the NQ.
Keep pushing. Not giving this thing much room. I have a stop loss. I'm just dragging my stop loss down. Keep dragging my stop. I'm just gonna keep dragging it down. Holy.
Oh, fuck me. They gave me two opportunities. I didn't take either of them.
Okay. Well, I'm done for the day.
Would you grab 23s to?
I got out. Made $620.
to 30 points?
Yep.
Nice.
I just kept. I mean, I was just gonna go for 10, but I didn't want to like have a set take profit at 10. I just had my take profit so low, and then I was just dragging the stop loss down and down and down every like 5 points.
That's what I want to do, but not on days when the VIX is so low, because I feel like it's very rare that you actually get like a good push like that.
I mean, literally at like four. Yeah. I mean, I hit 14 points up, and I was just like, all right, make it at 10, and then it just kept going and going and going. So I just kept dragging it down and down and down.
See, when you have like good volatility days, those will be 60-point winners or something like that.
Yeah.
Damn. And I drew my line. I wanted to wait for that. I'm such a bitch.
I'm happy I didn't get out when I saw some. Go back into the red. I was just like, well, I just drew a line from the tops of like the wicks, like to make it look like a kind of like what I would do for a bull flag, and then I just put my stop loss at that point. If that makes sense.
No.
Like draw a line from the top into all the wicks going down, like
Like
at
you did like a bull
from-
flag?
yeah, and that was my stop loss. Cause I'm like, okay, if it breaks that, I don't want to be in it. Like, yeah, like that.
Yeah, I got you.
And then that, like it almost hit my stop loss. And then I was like, okay, that'll be my stop loss if it hits that.
I would have just grabbed 10 points, but I literally was was thinking about getting in here, and then I was thinking about getting in when we broke here again. Because I'm like, alright, it's probably just gonna go again. And it would have been.
This thing's stomping.
Oh man, I suck. We just took out London lows. So I don't know if we're gonna reverse from here.
Would have been 50 points if I'm still in it. Should be a swing trader.
I don't think you understand what a swing trader is.
I can't get out of just fucking scalping for a minute. I was in that trade for almost 4 minutes and it just felt too long.
Yeah. Alright, let's look. If we let's use our brains here. This is the hourly. If we sweep there, the next level, assuming this isn't a sweep and we're actually having a rejection, which I mean realistically we swept out pre-market highs, so this could just be a continuation dump. Especially we are at highs, we do have some room to go down. What, this level here, this pivot point at the 915s, we got some liquidity there. So if we're gonna continue the shorts, no, the case. Assuming we don't just sweep and then go higher, but we'll see.
Alright, I'll be right back. I gotta go throw some clothes in the laundry for later.
Alright. My friend does a swing trade. I try to swing trade, like, just like some options and some of like futures pairs or whatever. I take some trades every once in a while in like my cash account. I wanted to take this natural gas trade actually, and I didn't take it. I'd be pulling back right now, but I mean, I already took it here with 3 cons. That I got out like for like minus like $200. I was risking like 400, but I ended up getting out like because I didn't like it, which it would have stopped me out anyway. So I saved myself like $200 or something like that. And then I wanted to re-enter, but I was at the movies when I got the alert on my phone to like enter like here on like this break or whatever. Or was it right around here? Yeah. Like it started like touching right around here at like midnight when I was at the movies. And I was like, should I get in? I'm like, I'll wait till I get home and then I'll look at it. And by the time I got home, it was already like into profit. And I was like, well, maybe it'll pull back. And then it just fucking dumped. But we're pulling back right now. Good job. Hello, 12. What's going on? Can you take anything? We can't go down forever, that's a strat. Can't go down forever. I feel like we haven't gone down at all. No, ES is still at the 50-minute range. God, what a nice trade.
Ah, someone's already doing laundry.
I'm just gonna keep falling. Yep. Fuck me. Ah! Even if I took both of those, I wouldn't be up as much as you, but still. Yeah,
Well, we have said that we want to let them run.
yeah, just not when days when the VIX is so low, I've decided.
Yeah. I mean,
Just
the
'cause,
VIX
like, you
is
never
low,
get
but
this
it's,
move.
I mean, it's moving though.
Yeah, but I feel like lately, with the VIX being low, it hasn't had, like, these nice pushes. We're gonna keep falling. Well, fuck me. To the 915s we go. Whatever I said. What was it? 920s, 915s. Jesus. Jeff Bezos is closing Vienna's for his awesome wedding. I was gonna say, didn't that already happen? A pivot point here on the QQQ. Bitcoin hit new all-time highs yesterday, barely.
Yep.
Yeah, Yeah, it was like 11,000, like 60. I mean, 111,960 was the all-time high, and it hit like literally like not even $100 higher. It hit 12,000, like 50 or 40 or something.
Big money.
Just need a fucking break. I knew it was gonna happen. We had a fucking look at that. Look at that beautiful bull flag set up. You had the trap below. Fucking 1, 2, trap below. ETH is starting to break out as well. I want ETH to get above this 3,000 level, 2,900 level. See if it can start making a push back up to the 3,000s. If ETH went to fucking back to 4,000, 4,500 even, that'd be fucking sick. And lower we go. Lower we go.
What makes a deal truly great at AutoFair Subaru? It's not just about the price. It's about the experience too. For
What
years,
did I say? 920s, 915s? We're right about there right now.
car buying process. When you buy a car from AutoFair, we're not only going to save you money, we're going to work hard to give
Who
you
is
the
calling me?
best
No, thank you.
experience possible. So call, click, or come in.
The short is feeding us, man. Are you in one, ES?
With a truly great deal.
There you go. There's my call out. 915 to 920. We just hit 916. Too bad I don't know how to make
I'd
any
be up
money.
100 points.
What an idiot. Why would you sell? Dude, I don't want to go camping. I want to stay in all weekend and play Overwatch like a loser. Like a loser. Dude, am I a fucking wizard? Let's see. Imagine this speed low of day. 9:15 exactly. 9:15. Did that hit 9:15 exactly? Oh, missed it by one tick. I was in multiple. Wow, guy's a big fucking big baller. Thanks, Wizard. Oh yeah, I know the market. I just can't make any money. You know. What's the next level? If we were to continue dumping, which I don't know how likely it is probably what. Like 870s to like 845, somewhere in that area, right? If we go any lower than this. I'm also an idiot, so yeah, there's that. Why? What happened? I thought you were making money. I was making an idiot. Oh, hello FFs. How are you? Just watching this go lower.
Seem thrilled that that's joined.
Oh, I'm just upset.
Just howdy.
Just knew when to get in and didn't get in because I'm a big fat bitch. Oh.
Can't say you knew when to get in.
I mean, I literally was like, alright, bear flagging, we're lower on every time frame, we're below everything, and if we break below this, and then we broke below it and I didn't get it, so.
Yeah. But if you knew when to get in, you would have got in.
Really? I hope you blow all your accounts and never get a payout ever again. How about that? How about that?
I probably would have. I was getting close again.
Ugh.
Wow. That was crazy. It's a crazy thing to say.
Well, you're being annoying, so I have to. You don't kick a man while he's down.
Why not?
It's uncalled for. You're supposed to let me wallow in my own self-pity. Isn't that the rule? Can this thing make a fucking bear flag? Oh my lord. I hate this market. It gave me one and I missed it. What am I bitching at? You're so gay and you don't even like boys.
Was that your first game yesterday that you didn't hit a dingo?
No. This was my first game.
I feel like it is.
I don't think so. It's definitely not. There's no way I hit a fucking dingo every game. That game was so bad.
The thing that kills me so bad about that game is we lost by 2, and we let up 2 because Kaylee dropped that one ball.
Yeah. With 2 outs with the bases loaded on an easy pop
That
fly.
killed me.
Yeah.
That killed me. And then it's just like, then the guy hits a dingo, and I literally go, "Oh my fucking god, that's game." And they're like, "What do you mean?" And then I'm like,
Yeah.
I said it to Tommy, and he was like, "What do you mean?" I'm like,
Look
"We can
who's
come.
up.
We're still hitting, right?" And then I was like, "Yeah." I was like, "Well, it's Danny, Montana, Skaben, Sarah," and he goes, "Yeah, we're fucked." I'm like,
Ugh. And even on the home run that he hit, it should have been a 2-run home run. But
Yeah.
Kaylee didn't cover the bag at second.
"Yeah." And she even did it with Tommy, but Tommy's like when Tommy was playing short, he also
he just threw it to Ferris, yeah. I didn't even,
Yeah.
I don't know. I was like, just so like, alright, I'm just gonna throw it a second. And then, because I told her the play before. But like, you literally have to remind them every play, I forget.
it's crazy to me.
Dingo? What is funny?
You've never
We're
heard
talking
of the
about-
word dingo?
We're talking about slow pitch softball. Our team sucks. Or we're like middle of the pack.
You gotta put me higher in the lineup.
This guy fucking gets hits for 2 games out of fucking 12 and now he thinks he's fucking hot shit. I just can't believe I got out my first at-bat. I can't believe it. I can't believe that didn't hit a tree.
Yeah, that one was
That
kind
was
of brutal.
bullshit. I was like, please hit a fucking tree. And then it just didn't. And it just came right down straight through. And I'm like, how did that not hit anything?
You were, yeah, that was like I think that was like the worst game you've had hitting.
Yeah, I mean, I still went 2 for 3 technically, but 1 on a blooper and then just like a
I
hard ground
don't even
ball.
want to I didn't want to give you a hit for that.
If you gave it
at
to
all.
Nick, you got to give that to me.
Yeah,
It-
but
But there's so many errors. Like the one that you hit technically should have been caught. He ran in and then it went over his head. Like
Yeah, I know.
it's always an error. Like even one
That is
like
true.
hit like Skaben, it like went under their glove. I don't know if you gave him a hit because it was a hard hit ball, and I'm just like I don't know, like sure hit.
Usually pretty generous with like hits. I usually try not to make it an error.
Well, that's like even McAvoy's inside the park home run that should have been caught for an out. I just give him a single on it. If you hit an inside the park home run, I just give you a single if it should have been out. I'm like, all right, sure. Bitcoin's about to break out right now. It's hitting a fucking bull flag in the 1 hour. Look at this. It's gonna go. Gotta get above the view out, but she's about to go. Why does everything work today? Trading is so weird, man. Fuck you, ES. How about... You guys trash talking me.
Did you see he's down bad right now?
So easy. Oh, I hate you. I hate your guts. Just rub it in my face.
That was a wild one.
You should see my losers. What do you mean?
One more out of every moment this summer. Mazda has more 2025 IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus awards than any other brand as of May 2025. What more could you ask for? Discover how Mazda has
Order
awarded
submitted.
today. Visit
Order
IIHS.com
filled.
to learn more.
He's in a trade.
Shit. No. Come on, Nvidia's pushing down. Oh, shit. Nvidia pushing lower. Hold on.
up filled.
Fuck. Not gonna lie, crazy sells. Because it's going down in a downtrend. Super crazy.
I hate when people like.
That's 12. So why? Well, you took a different trade that I did? That's crazy. No, not at all. Zoom out. I don't care. I'm trying to get a 10-point move. I don't care what it did fucking yesterday. Let me zoom out. I'll zoom out as much as... This doesn't look like a downtrend. Although the EMA on the 1 minute, the 2 minute, the 3 minute, the 15 minute, the 30 minute, the 1 hour, the 4 hour. Wow, 1 hour, 15 minute, 30 minute, everything opening low, but IDK just right there was a crazy to me. Just trying to follow the trend of what I see. I don't know. And I know, like, we swept lows from earlier, but just looks like a day that we're trending down, so I want to continue seeing if it would sell down. I still think we're going lower, but I could be wrong. Wouldn't be the first. Yeah, that low as mentioned was good. That was a key level to take out. But like, that's the thing. Like, before that, the key level to take out was the pre-market lows at the 70. So it's like we took out those lows, and it's like you could reverse from there. But or like that's why I said you go to like the 1950s or 20s, and then it's like then you could reverse from there, or you could keep dumping like we did from the 80s to the 20s. unless we go to, what is PDL? Previous day low. That's what I'm saying. Like that's what I'm saying. Like you could go to 845. There's no reason you can't go. That's right around previous day low, or that's like pre-market low from Wednesday, and pretty much pre-market low from, or regular market low from Tuesday. See, that's like all I want right there. Like, if I got it, like, I was basically trying to do that. What just happened there? It's like, I don't need much. It's like, we take 920s, retrace, then we go there, you know?
With YouTube Premium, enjoy ad-free videos, plus the YouTube Music app. One subscription, 2 apps. Try 1 month free.
Yeah, I agree. That way.
Order filled. Order filled.
Alrighty, I'm fucking done. Oh boy.
Just have you take a short?
Yeah, I just closed it early. I didn't like it, but clearly it worked.
Oh, was that so early?
Ugh. was watching Nvidia, it looked like it was just gonna bull flag, and that was the trap to rip. And then I was like, alright. There's your 20 points.
Daily doll is so fucking bullshit. I have a 5 and a 6. I pull a 10. He has a showing of 5. He has a 10 underneath. He pulls a 6. Pull get 21 and push. Minus 1k? Which size are you putting on, Raven?
Oh boy. I want to fucking punch a hole in my monitor right now.
That's a tough one. That's the... Those are the problems with,
Discretion.
not just like, yeah, not just being able to just set and forget, because that would never happen. And then you beat yourself up more because it's your own personal mistake. More than
Just
anything.
so many opportunities to make money today, and I lose fucking, what, 500 bucks? 400 bucks, 450, whatever the fuck it is. Oh, it's straight fucking brain dead. I can't. I fucking can't. I'm literally such a fucking
You're
jackass.
Like that was a perfect. You would have made.
I would have made
You would've
probably
made
10
over
points.
40
No,
points.
I would have made like 10 points. It's like a short here at the 35s. I bought back at the 40s. meaning to vote straight. Like, I try to, like, shuffle it down on days like today, like my TP and my stop loss, but, like, 10 points, like, around 10 points I would have made, which, I still would have been down, which is the funny part, but.
Man, it is.
Frank, take another trade, bro. Trust you'll make it all back and go with a ton of size. Sounds like a great plan now, Frank.
He seems like he knows what he's talking about.
Ugh.
Yeah, it's something
It just seems so freeing to be able to fucking be a degenerate and just you have a chance to make your fucking account back, honestly. I have more drawdown than I allow myself per day, but I just don't want to take anything now after that. It just makes me sick. It's just another day wasted. All I do is waste time for fucking 2 years, I swear to God. Ugh.
It looks like he didn't just make like 20k last month.
It didn't. I made fucking 4K. Oh my god, it's not even. I don't know. It's just like. I don't even know what it is. It's just like doubt just turns into fear. It's like you sit there, you're confident, I'm like, oh, everything's lining up here. And then you don't take it because you're a big fat fucking bitch. And then like even here, I was like, oh, I should probably take this because if we break below this, we're probably gonna go. Like there's just a little fucking pullback before we actually make the move. If we don't go here and we actually come back down and retest it, then I don't get in there. So it's like 2 opportunities to make 10 points. Don't do it. Then I sit and I wait and I wait. I watch it fall. I watch it fall. And then I get in here, which I don't hate. I mean, I know it has room to pull back. And like it ended up pulling back on the 2-minute EMA, but it's like it just as well could have easily done on the 1 minute. Like I don't hate the trade, but it's just like buy in or sell in. It's like instantly just retraces like immediately not in profit at all. And then like same thing with this one. It's like I shell and then it's just instantly against me. And then I'm just like, well, and then I see like Nvidia was having this bull flag that like I was like I saw it dumping and I'm like okay, and then it like was pushing up strong and I'm like all right, it's just probably gonna make this bull flag and then go, and I'm like all right, I'll just save myself points, and then it's just like boop boop, and now I sit here with my dick in my hand losing fucking $400 when I easily could have been up at least 10 points on the day. Sounds like Diego. Oh man. Yeah, I'm just as bad as him.
I don't think so.
Ugh.
We just had a bad day.
Yeah, and I had a bad day Monday, and then my 2 winning days add up to like fucking $40 because I'm a big fat fucking faggot.
I'm telling you, trading knows. The market knows when you're going away for the weekend, so it's like, oh, he's actually gonna live his life. Now I have to punish him, so he has a
No, I sit
terrible
there
time
all
when he goes.
weekend and just be down bad.
Yep. So that happens.
I literally hate my life right now so much. I swear to God. I just delay everything until I fucking make it trading, and then I'm just absolutely miserable because I sit here, trade for an hour, lose money, and then just sit here and literally do fucking nothing.
And you sit there, trade for an hour, and it takes up 23 hours of your day.
Literally, like, the problem is, it's like, I literally just want a fast forward button. It's just be like, okay, fast forward till 9:30 tomorrow. Oh, fast forward through the weekend because I don't do anything anyways and I don't fucking care. And fast forward to Monday. Because this is literally all I want to do, so it's just fucking killer. You can't make trading our identity? Yeah, but it's like, I also don't want to spend, like, the thing is, like, I just don't want to spend any money when I'm not making any money consistently.
Credits and they transferred over.
Everyone does, that's why everyone overtrade. I don't even overtrade, though. Like, you can just, like, I mean, realistically, I'm following my rules. I'm just doing it discretion. But, like, I mean, realistically, even when I wasn't doing discretionary, it's like, all right, I followed my rules, win, lose, or not take a trade for fucking 5 months. It's just, like, does it, like, obviously, you need more discretion to be able to fucking make money long term. And then you just sit here and get fucked. Put 5 minis in any direction right now. Trust me, you'll make it all back. And I am the market speaking to you through a YouTube account. Yeah.
Sounds like a good plan right there.
It's just what people only chat when they see someone getting angry. I swear, like it's. I've never seen that guy before in my life, or the other guy. Both two randoms. They come in. The only thing they've ever said is, "Oh,
It's just
fucking
DJ.
yeah, make it back." It's not how it goes. Like, I don't need to fucking lock my account because I know I have the fucking discipline to not be a dumbass when I know I shouldn't. Like, obviously, I'm on tilt right now. I'm not saying you, I'm saying in general. But you are doing good, right? You recently had some payouts? Yeah, like, I just got 4K in payouts last week, but it's just like... I don't know. Like, I just want it's like... I got payouts in, like... the end of last year. I think I made like fucking 7K in payouts, nothing crazy. And then it's like I got some payouts in like January, and then I go like I have a fucking terrible February, and then I have a really good March, like, and then it's like, so it's like I have a good January and I get some payouts, and then it's like then I try to size up, then I have a terrible February, and then I fucking blow my accounts, and then I have a good March where I build my accounts back, and then I get a good payout in April of like 14 or 15K, and then but it's just so inconsistent, and then it's like, okay, then I don't get any payouts in May. Then I literally like get a tiny payout at the very end of June, and then it's like, now who knows how many fucking accounts I'm close to blowing at this point. Like, not that close, but I mean, you're always fucking close, because it's like I just withdraw to the buffer, and then you go on 1 week of bad trades, and then you're just out. Then you gotta fucking redo the whole process, spend more of what you made, like. It's just a fucking whole ordeal. I just want consistency, and it's so fucking hard. Everyone wants to skip to the next day. Yeah, it's terrible. You are top 2% right now. Like, probably. And
A lot of people feel though. That's what everyone says that they're like, you're at the top 5% because you got payouts in the same account or whatever. It's like, what are the other 95% of people?
I don't know
like,
how they
I
haven't
feel like a
fucking quit
failure.
or killed themselves, because I literally feel like a failure on a daily basis, and I do have more payouts than like 99% of people. Sounds like you need to start putting a lot into a live account. To what? Like,
You have a decent amount in a live account.
yeah, that's what, like, I have a live account, I just swing trade it. It's nothing crazy, but I don't even care if you see my fucking number right now. It's like, I have like this 11K in it, but it's like I have money. The problem is not money. The problem is skill. Like, I'm about to fucking cash out of my crypto. Like, it's just, I mean, a futures live account. This is a futures live account. See, TradeAvate live, and I've signed in live. I'm gonna be your TikTok clipper. I'll pay you 100% of what this channel makes right now, 12. If you want to be a TikTok clipper for me. Outfrag. See, these people don't celebrate when you're up, but comment when you're down. Like, Raven, this is like, I don't care in the slight. Like, obviously, like, you read it, you're like, shut the fuck up, you pussy. But, like, realistically, it's like, I don't care what they say. Like, I'm online. What do I expect? People to not clown you when you fucking lose money? Like, obviously, people are going to, or everybody's gonna have their opinion. That's the whole point of, like, being on the internet. Like, it's like, you're on the internet for people to fucking judge you. That's how it works. It's like, I'm not gonna be surprised. Like, I mean, realistically, you could see that and be like, wow, what a dumbass. He took this trade, what a fucking retard. Why would you take that? And then you fucking closed early. Like, if I watched me today, too, I'd be like, wow, what a fucking retard. He could have made money. It's like, wow, okay, he called this out, didn't take the short, didn't make any money, then takes this short, then loses, and then gets in the air, and then closes before it dumps. What a retard. Like, I understand why. I don't fucking care about that. But if your consistency is one payout every other month, then I'm gonna be fucking living in my mother's basement forever. Because if I make 4K every other month, I'm gonna make fucking $24,000 a year. Sounds like you need. Let's see. Your big head is blocking it, but it's okay. We trust you. Oh, it actually blocked my account number. That's good. Because I don't want to show you my live account. But no, this is the live account. I swear. In a few years, we're going to laugh about all this shit. I fucking hope so. I don't know. It's just quick math. Yeah, well. Was that dumb math, or wasn't that right? Right? Make 4K every other month. 24K. No, 6 months. 4 times 4. 24. Make 100K
just
every
like-
other month. Duh. I couldn't make 100K in a fucking year. I'm a failure. We're fucking. Dude, we're fucking 6 months through the year. I made like fucking 20K. And like 5 of that went to expenses. Just the boys and Raven and Mike's mom's basement. Total bliss. Is this not peak right now, FFs? This is what dreams are made of. Oh, fuck me, dude. That sounds weird. It's like this is probably just a pullback on the 5. Like there'll be more setups. Like I'm not afraid of like I gotta make it all back today. It's just like then I have to sit here from 10:40 till 9:30 tomorrow, staring at my fucking wall because I have nothing to do.
For those who want more out of every moment this summer,
Ugh. It's like I go to the gym and then I wish right after the gym it was just fucking 11 o'clock at night and I could just go to bed.
What more could you ask for?
You have the 2-patient trader, the reversal trader, and the flag trader.
Visit iihs.org to learn more.
I don't know what I am. Am I the flag trader? Am I not patient? I didn't take a trade. I fucking went like 2 months taking like fucking 1 trade a week. Focus on soul development on off days if you have one. Every day's an off day. I fucking work for an hour and then I lose money and then I fucking do nothing. What does focus on soul development even mean? I'm going to fucking hell. I'm racist. I fucking hate everybody. Oh. That might be the most patient person I've ever met. It's easy to be patient when your shit works. It's like I was patient when my shit didn't work and I won 50% of the time. If I won 27 trades in a row, I'd be patient too. Okay, that makes it safe tomorrow. Yeah, peace out, FFs. Typical Mike, yeah, racism. It's like, we're probably gonna go lower here. We're probably gonna break below this. But I'm just a failure. What the fuck is
just done
sci-fi level shit? Do reps, replay the session, and execute exactly how you want it to? Alright, I can do it right now. See this line I drew? Or actually I didn't draw it on here, but I drew it on Ninja Trader. I drew a line here. Like what is this rep? I fucking look at the market every day. I know the reps. Or no, I drew this line here. Who's calling me? Shut the fuck up. Like, oh, we broke below here. I even said I should get in. We're rejecting off everything. We're below the EMA on every fucking time frame. We're below the VWAP. We're rejecting off the VWAP. We're in a bear flag. Like, what do I do? Okay, we don't get in, and I miss it. Okay. There, I should have got in. Here, I lost, so I guess I shouldn't have got in. Here, I got in, and I closed too early, and then it fucking dumped on me. Alright. Session recapped. Good job. I feel now. What do I do? It's 10:44. That took 1 minute. Base Johnny took that monster trade. We should give him his flowers too. Yeah, fucking really rub it in. Nothing feels better than when someone trades the same fucking strategy as you and he makes $600 and I fucking lost 500 and 400. It really makes you feel good. And then tomorrow I'll be the fucking opposite. That's what happens. Somehow me and Johnny trade the same strategy and I don't think we've ever had a day where we're both fucking green.
No. Not like when someone has a really good day, the other person always has to
It
fucking
happens every time.
eat shit.
The market is about to pump. Max your leverage out on mini contracts long. Another random person. Interbank price delivery algorithm. Yeah. Great plan.
It's like YouTube's like, dude, come watch this guy. He's on full tilt,
Yeah,
and then
I agree.
everyone just comes in.
I don't even think we're going long. I think we're rejecting. This is our bear flag here.
Bear flag.
Bear flag. We got this resistance here. See what happens. I mean, like, do it in a way that is like pseudo experience for you. If you visualize doing it perfectly enough times, you will have that experience next time you see your setup. I looked at the chart every single day from 9:30 to 11 for 2 years, going back through and skipping through on backtesting for a half hour through 10 days isn't gonna do anything that like I already haven't seen. You too, and tell your friends along too. When you don't see me in here, you know I fucked up hard. Yeah, that's the case too. It's that. Like, it is funny because even like you'll see in like other people's chats, and it's like these people just don't talk when they're doing bad. Or even like when Tekkas would come in, like he would like talk about like going on a win streak or whatever, and then like all of a sudden he would win like 15 days in a row, and then like he just didn't come for like a week because you just know he's going through it. That's the same thing with, like TradeMate. He's even like messaged me and said he's like, oh, I don't want to come back to the stream until I get like a payout or something.
We
like
literally
that.
haven't
Like,
seen
that's fair enough.
Tekkas.
Yeah, I haven't seen Tekkas in so long. I have insider news making general wealth of these longs. Let's see it. I have no friends. Poor Raven. Projecting a bit, yes. It's different every day, so hard to get the reps of a similar setup. Yeah, so what do you want me to do? Go through, like, then what you just said is completely irrelevant, no?
I'm 2,500 frames per second of explosive
What's completely irrelevant?
So he said, like, because he basically, like, said, like, do reps, replay the session, and execute exactly how you want it to, and then he said, and then I, like, said that or whatever, and then he said, I mean, like, do it in a way that is, like, pseudo-experience for you. If you visualize doing it perfectly enough times, you will have that experience next time you see your setup. But then he just said, it's different every day, so hard to get the reps of a similar setup. So it's like, if I'm looking for a similar
Not
setup, like, isn't that, like, fucking, what do they call it?
Oh my god.
Counterintuitive or something?
He didn't go on tilt because
Bro went
I
on
went-
tilt because his bro made a big trade, and that's not how you spell because. Going on tilt, I think, proceeds to actually. I think if you go on tilt, you have to be doing stuff that you normally wouldn't. I'm angry about the session, but I didn't do anything to make me go on. Like, I didn't do anything on tilt. I just, like, was mad of what happened, but I don't do anything after. Unless you do intentional
that-
practice reps on the same setup, just something that helps me anyways.
That
So
early
is
out
it-
really killed me.
What's that?
Getting out early on that trade.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Like, I get out early and then it dumps and then that's it. I'm like, okay, that sucks. I'm angry. I'm down money. I know I should stop. And then I stop. And then I'm angry. So I guess that's tilt. Like, it's not tilt that's affecting my trades. It's just tilt afterwards. But then I don't do anything with it. Q1 today. It's so funny that like everybody just thinks they know, like everyone knows everyone in the trading space. I do know who is, but well, then I'm really a big loser if Ku won today and I didn't.
Diego's been on a winning streak supposedly. I haven't watched his videos, but
I watched like one the other day. I haven't watched all of them. We're all on our own journey. We can't give the men advice. No, I mean I'll take advice. I'm not fucking above advice from people. It's not like I have everything figured out, but it's also am relatively knowledgeable on it, considering it's all I think about fucking 70% of
I
the
think
day.
too many people take advice.
Most of the time,
Everybody, though.
realistically, I'm more not entitled to give advice, but like considering I like yes, you said it's like I'm realistically probably in the top 2% of traders based on payouts and shit. It's like realistically, I have more authority to give advice over most people. But like I'm not opposed to getting like listening to what people have to say. in sci-fi, so it's like unless you do the intentional practice reps on the same setup. What does that mean? Because you just said before that it's so hard to get the reps of a similar setup. So it's like I can go through and look and be like, I know what I should take and I know what I should do for the most part. It's like when I got, where was it, Monday? Like, well, because realistically I just started doing more discretionary stuff earlier. Or like I know what to take. I take the same fucking shit for the most part. It's like these, was it Monday or Tuesday? Like this one was a hindsight that now I like don't do because I'm like, okay, like after I traded I look back and I'm like, all right, what was I doing here? I'm like, all the time frames, I'm like, I'm looking only at like the fucking 1 minute here, but I fucking hate how TradingView does this, and every time you switch time frames it goes back to where the fucking you were. But I'm like, all right, I shouldn't have taken this because basically on every time frame we're still below the EMA and shit like that, and like then I learned from my mistake. Like I don't really feel the need to like back test or fucking journal because like I write down my P&L on how many trades and shit, but it's like I know what I do wrong most of the time. It's like I don't want to get long here even though it's a bull flag playing out, because I know on like the 15 and the 5 and we're below the VWAP, it's like this is very well could just be a retracement to go lower. Replay mode and pretend to yourself that it's all real time and you saw it coming. But I don't, like it doesn't do it, like I already know what I'm looking for, you know what I mean? Like it doesn't really do
Sounds
anything.
bogus.
Good morning, Mike. Smiley face? Oh, clearly you're just coming in, Nora. It's not a smiley face type of morning. I'm a failure. These were my trades. I didn't take this, Nor, and for some fucking reason, even though I literally said I should and then didn't, and then I took this short here at the bottom, got stopped out like here, and then I took this short here, and then closed it here early, and then it dumped, and that was my day. So, plenty of chances to make money. User error. Feels bad. How'd you do today? I'm sure you did good, right? Or no trades? Ouch. It's just embarrassing. We have an actual trend day. Going short, and then I get short twice and lose because I'm a fucking retard. That's why trading's hard, because you can just be right and still be wrong, like, and still lose money. That's the issue. It's all like sizing and risk management. Literally all it is. It's like, alright, it depends on how far you're going for, and if you're sized enough to give yourself enough room, or no trades in a week and a half. Hopefully get something tomorrow. I've been a frustrating time recently. Jesus, see, like, see, this is what I'm talking. Like, this is why I had to switch to like discretionary, Nor, because I was in the same boat. Not that bad, but like, I'd be like, all right, 2 days of two trades a week for like fucking 2 months, and I'm like, I'm just making no progress. Something needs to change. If people can come into the market and make money every day, why am I limited? Because it's like, even if you have an edge, it takes so long for it to play out because you just never have the opportunity to take trades. That's what sucks. Dude, how many phone calls am I gonna get? Who's the guy behind you? What are you talking about? The guy behind me. Is there a ghost? See, like, let's see if we reject off of, like, this. I'm just assuming this is a retracement from the bigger time frames to go lower. That's my guess. Dude, my leg is like fucking pussy. Sucks from sliding. %. We rejected all-time highs. Yeah, like I assume we're gonna go low. Like, so like the D-Gen sits there and it's like, okay, if we break, even if we break below this, it's like, my guess, I'll give a hypothetical. If it breaks below this, I'd get in. I'll watch, I'll fucking lose because I'm a loser, but. Alright, I'm tagged in. Takes that position with max leverage. Weren't you the one who was just telling me to go long? This is short. Oh, it's pushing down. Alright, I'll go break even. Nice and early. Let's see. Watch, I'll get break even and then it'll go and it'll just show that it's all fucking management.
The volume go. Ooh. Just missed, yeah. Man, that was gonna dump.
Yeah. Okay. Like it's like this. It's not, and it's not rocket science. It's like who knows? Like this might be the fucking beginning of it. That's what I'm saying. Like this has fucking. And I was looking at on the 5-minute, but it's like it hasn't even broken out the flag on the 5-minute. Like I would assume at least to get to here, probably here. But it's just like a timing thing, and then giving back profits that you feel like you had because of whatever. So it's just like. It's money management is the issue. So you sit there and you're like, well, do I want to give that back that technically I made? Like it's, because then you'd be sitting here, like say if you didn't take your 10 points and you were trying to hold even just for like the break or for this, then you're sitting there and you're like, how many points are we at? 10 points right now, so I guess you'd still be fine. But it's like then this thing pulls back, hits your break even, and then it feels like you lost $200. But it's like, I don't know. It's not rocket science.
Don't miss this WNBA season.
30-minute candle close back inside range of previous 30-minute candle. 11 a.m. should just distribute the downside. See, that's it, like people use all like the fancy words and shit, but it's like just from like looking at the chart, you can just tell it's just a fucking retracement into a like people say all this random shit. Not saying that, like, not making fun of your strategy. It's just like how you like fucking see it or whatever, and like what like you've been taught to like what each thing like because each person has like the same type of thing they're looking for. Because obviously there's only fucking one chart, and you either buy or sell. Like there's not too many options. It's just like it's all called different names and slightly different on what you look at, but. It's like, oh, we're retracement and we're at a fair value gap. If we inverse this, then after we trapped above here, then we go short. Like, there's plenty of reasons to get in, depending on what, like, whatever your strategy is. But I think it's like, could I have went on tilt and entered and made a quick 10 points? Yeah. But not long, max lev. It's still, we're still going lower, I would assume.
should have took that trade.
Totally.
I hate when people say trust me. Like, when you say trust me, instantly I'm like, okay, I don't trust this guy at all.
Well, you just have to assume that 99% of people, like, especially for us, based on what we got, which that's the thing. It's like, I don't even feel like I'm a good trader, and, like, realistically, we're in the top fucking 2% somehow. And then, like, yeah, you have, like, random people who come in and like, I swear, dude, you just gotta do this or this. And then it's like, how many payouts do you have? None? Okay. Cool.
But trust me, bro, I know what I'm talking about. I've watched a lot of YouTube videos.
If you ever considered changing your RR, isn't yours 1-to-1? Well, now, like, I do like my extremes, but it's like, it's 1-to-1 right now because I'm like, I just don't want to go for much because the VIX has been so low. But, so, I was just like going for 10 points. But, I mean, like, realistically, it's like, well, then I extended one and lost like 15 points on it, and then I cut one short and lost like 5 points on it, so. I don't know, it's just like dynamically. You're a genius, you're right. We're going higher. What a wizard. You Americans just refuse to name the nation? What?
Nation. What are you talking about?
I have no idea. Alright, before I get off, might as well just get fucked in this too. Let's play some blackjack.
I got fucked in my daily dollar. Shit.
That was fun. Alright, great. Yeah, awesome.
The one time you ever get a blackjack in that game.
Yeah.
Ugh. Yeah, no. ES is ripping. It's crazy. ES is at high of day. NQ is Jesus.
fucking.
Straight dumped.
NQ is. What, 50 points below the bottom of the opening range, and ES is putting in new highs as we speak. It's crazy. ES longs were super clean, honestly. You're just kind of chopping around here. Well, if I don't fucking eat again tonight, we'll be on tomorrow. Peace out.
I will not be